In this video, you will be learning about malware and phishing protection. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. All profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. In order to keep you and your computer protected from harmful websites, Chrome automatically downloads a list of dangerous and malicious websites and stores that list on your computer. Whenever you navigate to a website in Chrome, that page is checked against the list. If a website is suspected to be a malware or phishing site, Chrome will display a warning page instead of navigating to the website. If you see this warning, click Back to Safety to return to the last page you visited. Chrome offers a high level of protection from malicious websites, but you should still use your best judgment when browsing online. Now that you've learned about malware and phishing protection, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely, and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.